Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another unboxing. This package is from MSI. This is their new gaming laptop, model number GE66. This is the 15-inch gaming laptop from MSI. This laptop has the Intel Core i7 10870H processor. This laptop already comes in with Windows 10 Pro. It has a 32GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB of NVMe SSD, Intel Wi-Fi 6, and of course the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. Screen resolution of 1920 by 1080. This still has the Intel i7 10th gen. Okay, so here is the box. I like the red MSI badging. Here's the specs that I was talking about earlier. So let's go ahead and open up the box. It has the True Gaming on the bottom of the box. Let's remove this box. Okay, so this includes instructions manual and warranty book. Okay, let's open up this small box. I believe this is for the power adapter of the laptop. Okay, so let's take a look at this charger. This charger is a 230 watt charger. So let's remove the laptop from the plastic bag. and also works as a DP 1.4 RJ45 HDMI port, which supports 4K at 60 megahertz, and also has the DC in and at the back. Okay, on the left side we have two Type A USB 2.2 generation 1 and an SD card reader. Okay, on the right side we have a Type A USB 3.2 generation 2, a Type C USB 3.2, and a audio input as well as a headset jack. Let's go ahead and open up the laptop. This laptop also comes with a 300 megahertz blazing fast display. And now we're gonna do a quick benchmark. I'm doing 3D mark. We're doing 3 benchmark, which is Time Spy, Port Royal, and Fire Strike. As always, guys, thank you so much for supporting our channel, and please subscribe and like our videos, and we'll see you again on our next unboxing video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.